Chandrayaan landing in South Pole, making India the first country to land in an uncharted territory in moon. It is a cause of celebration, joy, and many stocks are also at an all-time high. In fact, 52-week high on the back of that news. A lot of stocks that we continue to track at this point in time, some of them as high as 12%, Suyash.
Yes, Shweta. So, I mean, if we look at India did achieve a massive feat yesterday by being the first country to land on the south pole of the moon, and while ISRO gets all the credit, there were several Indian companies that contributed and helped ISRO achieve that massive feat. Now if we look at the companies that helped ISRO achieve this dream, there are about 10 companies that we were tracking earlier in this morning. Paras Defense, which supplied navigation systems for Chandrayaan-3. Now it was up about 5% yesterday and it rallied as much as 12% in morning trade, but we saw some profit booking amid weakness in the broader markets and the stock settled at about 7.28%. Now MTAR Technologies is another one. MTAR Technologies provided ISRO with engine and booster pumps for Chandrayaan-3's launch vehicle. Now the shares ended about 5% higher yesterday. Today also we saw about a 4% rally in that stock. Hindustan Aeronautics, a story that we have been uncovering over the past few weeks, and the multi-bagger stock was also behind providing ISRO with essential expertise as far as it comes to the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Mishra Dhatu Nigam was another company which provide ISRO with critical materials such as cobalt-based alloys, nickel-based alloys, and special steel for various components of the launch mission. Now the stock was trading higher in today's session, but we saw some profit booking over there, and it was down about 2%. Bharat Heavy Electricals, L&T, Bharat Electronics, Centum, Avantel, Godrej, all have been performing really well. If you can pull up the 1-year charts, Shweta, you will see most of these stocks have given massive returns to investors in comparison to the benchmark indices. HAL is up about 80%, Bharat Heavy Electricals is about 100%, so a multi-bagger story over there. Avantel, Shweta, 361% return since in the last 12 months. Bharat Electronics is 34% up. L&T, which is a heavyweight stock, it is up about 44% compared to Nifty's about 10% rally.
All right, so aerospace, defense stocks there to watch out for, Santosh. I mean, looking at this chart, with some of these numbers are staggering. Avantel up about 361%. I believe these are year-to-date numbers, Suyash. This is not the one-year performance?
These are 12-month returns. So from August 24 to 2022 to August 24,
all right, so 1-year returns there and a 3-figure return at that. Yeah, I believe with this, I suppose it is time for aerospace defense companies to shine.
Santosh,
Santosh?
Can we have your thoughts?
Pardon?
So, I mean, the stocks have space.
So,
yeah, please go ahead.
yes, actually. Yes, stocks have all of the stocks have already rallied too much, but still the valuation comfort is still there. The long-term outlook is bullish. But yes, after this event, we may see some profit booking. We have seen in today's session actually from higher levels, stocks have corrected. First of all, you can see the costing of Chandrayaan-3 was around 615 crore, which is less than most of the budget of the Hollywood movies, and that's why India is giving competitive launch, and it is opening the doors for more launch. And in coming days, we are going to launch mission for Sun and main moon mission. So I think the outlook is bullish for all the companies. But yes, as a trader, you should avoid after chasing this stock after a massive run-up. If you get any correction or profit booking, that will be a good buying opportunity. My preferred bet will remain like HL is our top pick still after a strong rally, and AMTA, L&T Technology. This stock should be on your radar. If you get any correction, then it will be a good buying opportunity for you.
But what's your position on these stocks as of today?
Yes, we are still bullish on this. Yes, we are bullish on this stock, but yes, I would suggest to book some profit booking if you are a trader. But if you are an investor, hold on to this stock. And if you are looking for fresh entry for the investment, wait for a correction. You will get good levels. If market give any, if because of any reason, global reason, or if market witness any correction, that will be a good opportunity to buy these stocks.
What are the stocks that are looking inexpensive at this moment, Santosh?
Yes, if you look at the PE ratio, then MTAR will look expensive to you, but still the quality of the business model is good, so it will remain expensive. But if you get any correction, if you get any 15 to 20% correction, then it will be a good buying opportunity. HL is, despite so much run-up, valuation are still comfortable. However, it is trading higher than its long-term averages. So if you get any correction around 10 to 15%, then HL is also a good entry point.
Now, these companies, can they also cater to the global space market as well?
Yes, as I told you, the total cost of the Chandrayaan mission was 615 crores, so which is less than many Hollywood movies, and India is giving a cost competitive launch cost. So definitely, other nations will also look towards India for such kind of missions. So that will open the doors for our companies for the global market as well.
All right, good news there all in all, not just for the aero defense sector, aerospace sector, but also for India
For
as a whole, and
us,
for us, a reason to celebrate for some of the, these companies whose stock performance, I think, is shooting through the roof.
300% Avantel has run
300%
up over the last 1 year.
Avantel. So all in all, I think we're going to end this segment on a joyous note. Santosh, Meena, thanks very much for joining with your inputs. Suyash, thanks for your inputs
Thank you, Shweta.
on that important story.